Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of repairing your Thermomix TM31, focusing on connection fixes and blade replacement. First, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These tools are essential for a successful repair. Let's start by unplugging the Thermomix to ensure safety. Carefully remove the base by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the bottom. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. Be cautious of any wires connected to the base. Next, we will examine the internal connections. Look for any loose or damaged wires. If you find any, use your pliers to secure them. If you feel uncomfortable with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring that your device is handled by experts. Now, let's move on to the blade replacement. To do this, locate the blade assembly inside the bowl. You will need to unscrew the blade using a flathead screwdriver. Take your time here, as the blade can be tightly secured. Once unscrewed, carefully lift the blade out of the bowl. Before installing the new blade, it's a good idea to clean the surrounding area. Use a damp cloth to remove any residues or food particles. A clean environment will help your new blade function effectively. If you prefer, we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the repairs done without any hassle. Now, insert the new blade into the bowl. Ensure it fits snugly and secure it by tightening the screw. Check that it rotates freely before proceeding. Reassemble the base by placing it back on the Thermomix and securing the screws tightly. It's crucial to ensure everything is in its proper place. After reassembly, plug the device back in and perform a quick functionality test. If it doesn't work correctly, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services include no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your Thermomix functioning again. Finally, always remember to follow up with regular maintenance to prolong the life of your Thermomix TM31. This includes cleaning the blades and checking connections periodically. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.